I haven't seen my crown, so let's open it. In 3, 2, 1.
Nhớ trong tàu bay ý chồng nhạc sĩ cái tên linh cha mong thuần linh chua tù cú lông bê hù xà yên có mong xỉnh lì loa lù nông ý à cú cỡ cho cú tù khen nhớ đá chi cú cỡ bá tàu cú tù khen cỡ tớ nhớ hậu chế vì mất COVID.
Princess crown. And we shout out Mary or Gotchin host Bimong Princess. And congratulations to Paige, Lily, and Eva on your guys' winnings. And I'm super excited to open this. Are you guys excited with me? I haven't seen my crown, so let's open it. In 3, 2, 1. This is the money. One Bimong Princess first place, and if you get first place you get $1,000. And now let's see the crown. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna take this wrapping, okay, so you guys can see it too. First I'll just take off the sash. Wow, look, the sash is pink. Let's see it all. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. It's a sash, guys. Look. Wow, look at the bandao. Wow. It says Bimong Princess 2020. Wow, it's so pretty. I want to see the crown now. It's so beautiful. Oh my god. Look at the crown. It's so beautiful and big. Look at that. Look at all the gems. Oh my gosh. Look. Look at it. Wow. Look at that. It has so many gems on it. Wow. Look at this. I can wear it. That is so pretty. And I'm pretty sure it's this way. There. And look. Wow. You guys see? Wow, I really love the princess crown. It's so big and beautiful, especially the sash, pink. This is my favorite color, And thank you so much, Mary. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.